You're on the loose, sister. Where are you going? Oh. Are you coming to get me? Mommy just wanted to see you. But you won't stop. Where are you going? Oh. Did you flush the bucket? Does your ear hurt? Is it owie? Huh?
Maybe we should do some ear drops.
Maybe we should. Maybe we'll have to do that. Oh. Well, come here.